Welcome back to my channel. Tired of slow hair growth and weak strands? What if we told you that the secret to long, thick, and fast-growing hair is hidden in your kitchen? Today, discover powerful natural medicines that don't just promise, they deliver. Welcome. In this video, we reveal proven, ancient remedies backed by nature to help you grow hair faster, without chemicals, expensive products, or side effects. Onion and Ginger Tonic, the Root Awakener. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, a mineral that strengthens hair roots and boosts keratin production. But when you combine it with ginger juice, known to increase scalp blood circulation, you get a tonic that wakes up sleeping hair follicles. How to use. Mix 2 tablespoons onion juice plus 1 tablespoon ginger juice. Massage into the scalp, leave for 30 minutes, then wash. Use 2 to 3 times weekly. Fenugreek plus black seeds, the hair thickening medicine. These two seeds are a magical combo. Fenugreek contains proteins and nicotinic acid that promote hair strength and shine. Black seeds, kalonji, are rich in thymoquinone, a powerful compound that prevents hair fall and supports regrowth. How to use. Soak 1 tablespoon each overnight. Blend into a paste and apply as a scalp mask. Leave for 1 hour before washing. Aloe vera plus flaxseed gel, the growth accelerator. Aloe vera repairs damaged hair cells while flaxseed gel provides omega-3 fatty acids that nourish follicles deeply. This combo not only makes hair grow faster but also keeps it soft and frizz-free. How to use. Mix 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon fresh flaxseed gel. Apply as a leave-in or overnight scalp serum 2 to 3 times a week. Curry leaves plus coconut oil, the melanin booster. Curry leaves are rich in vitamin B complex and antioxidants that prevent premature graying and strengthen roots. When boiled in coconut oil, they create a potent blend that promotes faster, darker, thicker hair. How to use. Boil a handful of curry leaves in 100 milliliters coconut oil until crisp. Cool, strain, and massage into scalp 3x per week. Rosemary plus castor oil, the follicle stimulant. Rosemary oil is scientifically proven to match minoxidil in promoting hair growth. Castor oil thickens strands and deeply conditions the scalp. How to use. Mix 5 drops rosemary oil with 2 tablespoons castor oil. Warm slightly and apply with fingertips using circular motions. Bonus tip. Scalp massage with inversion method. Invert your head for 3 to 5 minutes daily while massaging. This increases blood flow to the scalp, helping nutrients reach hair follicles faster. Do this after applying your favorite remedy. Stop wasting money on empty promises. Start using nature's own medicine to unlock rapid, visible hair growth. Try any of these remedies for just 2 weeks. Your mirror will thank you. Like, share, and subscribe for more powerful hair and beauty secrets every week. Thank you for watching.